How to fix YouTube comment not showing problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your YouTube comments isn't showing, either on your own video or someone else's, here are the most common reasons and fixes that actually work. So the very first thing you want to do is refresh and sort comments correctly. Open up YouTube, and once you have your YouTube open to any YouTube video, now you can easily tap on the comment section to open it up. Now, once you tap on the comment section, you can switch between top comments and newest first. Your comments may be filtered, so you can tap on this filter icon, and then you can tap on top, and then you can also select newest. So the second option you can do is check for spam filters. Comment with links, repeated emojis, or certain words can be auto-hidden by YouTube. The third step is to clear your YouTube's cache. Long press on YouTube, tap on I button, go to storage down below, tap on clear cache, and you should be good to go. Then the next step is to reinstall or update YouTube. So for that, tap on app details in store. And if you see an update button here on Play Store, you just tap on this update button right here. You should be good to go. Creators may have restrictions as well. The channel owners might be holding comments for review or limiting comments. You have to keep that in mind as well. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. If this helped you solve your issue, make sure to hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.